Guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to this wonderful video as I showcase to you this beautiful, good-looking house, 3-bedroom all en suite or 3-bedroom master en suite. And this is the living room right here. Look how clean it is, very wonderfully done. So I want to show you the details inside this amazing 3-bedroom master en suite. Yes, look at the lighting over there on the ceiling, or the gypsum ceiling. A simple gypsum right there, but quality one. This is the chandelier. Look how beautiful, good looking it is. And here you have the washers that doesn't have the bulbs, so we need to put the bulbs right there. And these are the downlighters. These one, these are the downlighters. They are all the way here, and from here you're overlooking the outside, and the road is just here. This is the road. Yes, we are in a place called Kamakis. This is Kamaki's area, and this unit is for sale, for rent, and this one has already been taken out. But I want to show you this because if you are looking for such a unit, we have another one similar to this that is on rent, 50,000 Kenyan shillings. You rent this amazing apartment unit. So this is the living room right here, and here is your space for dining. There is your space for dining. Yes, and this is your living room, and here is your media area, your TV area right there. And then we have the kitchen. This is your very good, wonderful, well done kitchen. Sorry for the we have the items there for the mason who was finishing up some work. So this is your kitchen. That amazing bulb right there, very big in size to ensure good lighting. So this is your sink, your double sink. Double sink has water. This place has water throughout. And this is your kitchen right here with the cabinetry. And here is where you will put your cooker. Yes, that is where you put your cookers, and a lot of space for you to move around as you prepare your sweet meal here. So these are your drawers and the cabinets. Yes, they're very smooth, very smooth. And we have other ones over there. And look how beautiful this place is. And here you have your small balcony. Small balcony, not that small, but look how clean it is. And this is where you fit your washing machine. And these are the socket, and we have a little tap there with the drainage system. It's not that small, and the neighbor is over there. So I hope you like it. I personally love this unit. It is well done, very good, good looking house, and some blend of quality tiles. So that is your kitchen. From your kitchen, I'm taking you to the bedrooms. So this is the bedroom right here. So this is your bedroom, and here you are in a small corridor. the drawers right there. They're very smooth, very smooth. Indeed, very smooth. Yes, it's quite a good space. And for your kids, you can put up any size here. And there is the window overlooking the backyard and the neighborhood. Yeah. Yes. So from here we move. This is bedroom number 2. I'm taking you to the common bathroom right here. So this is your common bathroom. Look how clean everything is inside this unit. This is your common bathroom right here. Common bathroom, very neat. Yeah. With your quality shower right there. Yes, everything is wonderfully done. And you have your sink here. Yeah. Your sink, and as well water is throughout. Yes. And from the common bathroom, welcome to the common washroom right here. Look how clean it is. Look how clean it is. Sorry, but I think this one needs to be fixed. This one needs to be fixed. This rubber, it's hanging. So this is your common bathroom. Well, great, manageable space. We don't need a big space for the washroom. Bearing in mind that the washroom and the bathroom has been separated. So from here, you have this window right here. After you wash yourself, maybe you washed your face or something, you just have to look at the mirror and check if you're good. You're looking good. So this is your bedroom number 2 right here. This is your bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 right here. Quite spacious. Yes. So this is your bedroom number 2. With the wardrobes right there. And we have this window overlooking the outside as well. Yeah, it has 2 windows. So this one, and we have also this one here. Yeah, next to the neighbors. Yes. So it's quite spacious and very neat. Yeah, indeed, very clean. So from here, I'm taking you to the master. Yes, the master bedroom is right here. This is your master bedroom, and I want to show you something here. The master bedroom has this super big light, and on top of that, let me show you this. That one is switching off, that one. So look at how beautiful the master is, with a lot of space for your clothing, you and your partner, the husband and the wife. This is your cabinets, your wardrobe, your wardrobe, with the drawers as well. The drawers are right here, very smooth. Yeah, very smooth. This one as well, very smooth. You have all this space for your clothing and for your suitcases. Yeah, and we have this one here. This is, I'm sure this is for the suitcases. Yeah, we also have this. On top of that, another two drawers right there. So in total, this master has 5 drawers with the double wardrobes. Yeah, we have this window overlooking next to the neighbors here. The one thing I like about this unit is natural lighting gets in so well. The window needs some cleaning, needs to be wiped. So let me take you to the master bedroom, bathroom or washroom area. So here you are ushered in, and here is the toilet. Your nice and clean toilet right there. This is where you keep your tissue paper. And here you have your space for the bathroom, for shower. Look how big this space is. This is where you wash your hands, and this is your bathroom right here. It's quite big. It's quite big. Look. It's quite big. And it's quite big. This is your tub. That's where you keep your soap. And that is it. Thank you very much. We have this mirror right here. And in this unit, mirrors are almost everywhere. Every room has its mirror, and it's a good thing. So we have a mirror inside the washroom, and we also have this one here. So every room is facilitated with mirrors. So this is where you switch on your shower and your bulb or the light inside the bathroom, and we have this one here to switch off this bigger one, and we also have these other switches right here that can do both. One can switch on the bigger one, can switch off the downlighters. You can also switch off the snake light. And this is your master bedroom area, and you have your socket here for charging your phone, or if you're working from home, you just connect here and connect your laptop. You have provisions. This is number one. We have another provision right there. And one thing I like about these sockets is that it has the spaces for your USBs. So you don't need it's not a must for you to have a complete charger. You only need a cable, and then you will charge your phone. So that is all about this unit. And if you're looking for such kind of units, you can contact me, reach me out through the contact. So this is it. Look how big this room is. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video.